Discord 5000 ms fix. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Discord 5000 ms. First, open the Discord application on your PC. Once Discord is running, look for the settings icon, which is located at the bottom left corner of the window. Click on this icon to open the user settings menu. In the user settings menu, locate and click on voice and video from the list on the left side. This will take you to the voice settings where you can adjust various audio and video options. Then scroll down until you find the option for Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. Toggle this option on. This setting helps prioritize your voice data, potentially improving call quality and reducing latency issues. Next, click on the Advanced tab located in the same settings menu. Here, check that hardware acceleration is enabled. Hardware acceleration uses your computer's GPU to handle some of the processing tasks, which can improve performance and reduce lag.